Hi everyone, welcome to our Pusheen Addiction Channel. Today we're doing a very exciting video. We're going to show you how to iron on some patches with a flat iron. So if you don't have one of those old-fashioned irons, you can use any flat iron that you have at home. I recommend using one that's not new because you might get some glue on it. So just use like a beat up one. I have this one which is really old. It's actually, I turned it on already, so it's hot. I'm not going to touch it. But yeah, so we'll be using that in a couple minutes. And also use a foil to cover the inside so the glue doesn't ooze out. I'll show you. But before I start ironing on some patches, I will show you some new addition to our collection. So this one, it's a little screen dangler. So we bought this on Amazon. The donut is actually very heavy. So if you put this on a screen, it will just dangle like that. How cute, right? They have 4 variations. They have Pusheen, Sloth, Pip, and also Stormy, I think. But we only got the Pusheen one so far. We may collect the other ones in the future. And we also bought the new, well, I don't think she's new, but we bought the smaller size mermaid. She's so adorable with her little seashell accessory. How pretty. So she's going to sit here and help us with this video. And also this squisheen. This is the new one. The color is mint. When I saw her online, we bought it on Claire's, by the way. When I saw her online, I thought it's the blue one that we already have. It's actually called mint. So it's not. It's like literally a minty color. So go ahead and check that one out. And also this is the unicorn Pusheen that we already have. We just have to buy another one, you know, to get free shipping. But yeah, so these are the new additions to our family. If you haven't seen, we recently did a whole collection video, so go check that one out. We'll leave the link down below for you. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so let's start with Pusheen. Look how cute, right? So I'm gonna use this pink shirt. I have this this dog here. I don't really want that. I'm just gonna use her to cover, which I think will work out fine. I recommend using shirts that have been washed at least once. So if there's any shrinkage, you don't have to deal with that. But I forgot, so I'm just gonna use a new shirt. So I have not ever used this one. So let me use the foil. I think it's going to be the top that's going to touch. So I'll cover this side. And then I will twist this around. Okay, so let's do that. You have to hold this here for 30 seconds. Make sure that it's all covered. See how the tail didn't really get under? So I'm gonna have to do that again for 30 seconds. Okay, looks pretty good, huh? And then we'll do the tail part. Of course, the little details you want to really press it on so it doesn't fall off. Of course, after this is done, you can wash it. It shouldn't fall off. Also, these patches we got from Japan, LA. They have like an online shopping program, which was really cool. We spent some time there, got these patches. If you watch that video, we got 2 couple patches, so we decided to do 2 couple tees. They're not exactly the same, but you know, it will do. But it was pretty funny. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's hot. So you have to wait for it to cool, but it looks like it's on. Oh my god, look how cute. Isn't that so much better than the, you know, than the other one underneath? Oh my god, so cute. And I really like how the color is actually matching. So that's perfect. I'm gonna let this one set aside and then I'll work on the next one. It's hot. Let it cool, okay? Don't do anything. We're going to be ironing this blue express shirt and then we'll revamp it. So it's a really cute pocket here, so that's really good. If you have a pocket, I recommend doing it on the pocket. It's a lot easier than having to do that. But either way, it's not difficult. So we'll do the same thing. Turn it around. You want to position it first so it can, you know, be straight and you will be exactly where you want it. Oh, a little bit. Actually, it's not easy to have a pocket. But it's fine, it's fine. So we'll do it on this end. Same thing, hold for 30 seconds. I'm so excited actually. Look at them, they're excited too. Watching the process. We're Pusheenifying the whole world. Okay, so let's do... Actually, I think it's better to not do it on the pocket. I changed my mind. Okay. Ta-da! So we've got all the squisheens on. Oh my god. She's actually pretty Pusheen, but I prefer to call her squisheen. If you've watched my video, I have a habit of doing that. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Look at the couple tee. We have a couple tee. Oh my god, so cute. Aww. Love it. See, now it's really cool. You can kind of see it's not really lifting anywhere. Maybe the feet a little bit. I think I need to touch that up. I think because this one is fine. Yeah, I'll just touch that up a little bit, which is okay because if you have anywhere that's not done, just do it again, you know? Same thing, 30 seconds. I think this is a lot easier than using the traditional iron. You just have to hold it longer. All right, so it should be all good. We'll set these aside and then do the next couple tee. Oh my gosh, how cute. Yay! Okay, so the next one we have Pusheen. Isn't this so perfect? I really love how I have these colors that match these patches perfectly. So we're gonna do this on this one, and then the other one we're going to do it on a gray shirt, which is too big for the pocket, so I'm gonna have to do it outside. But okay, let's start with this one. Oh my gosh, so cute. And it's covering what's underneath perfectly. So let's do that. And I recommend, I didn't say that, I recommend setting your flat iron to the highest temperature. I would say at least 400, 450, something like that. And I think this is good. Let's go. 30 seconds. Okay, let's do the other side. 30 seconds. Yay! Pusheen's officially done. Oh my gosh, look at her. So beautiful, right? That's perfect for this shirt. Okay, so I'll do the Pusheen, but instead of going through the pocket, I think it's too big, so I'll just go from here. Ah, don't move. Just position it right, because once it's on, that's it. So we didn't do a video on Wednesday. I don't know if you guys noticed. For Miku, she just had her space surgery. So we have been taking care of her. And so we didn't want to, you know, bother her and make a video. But she'll recover soon and post a video next Wednesday instead. Ta-da! Another one done. Actually getting really easy now. If you have a couple, I just do them all together and then you have new shirts, right? Isn't that so wonderful? Okay, so last but not least, we are going to use this Pusheen on the Pusheen shirt. Isn't that so perfect? I don't want to use this on a plain t-shirt because this is so much more interesting. So we've decided to do that. We're gonna keep this one for something else and also save this for later also. You never know, you maybe get a t-shirt that you really like later and you wish you saved these, right? So we'll save for a rainy day. So let me do this for this shirt. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It's going to be the best shirt ever. I didn't like how they just kind of put a tape on the back and then stuck on it, because you really can't take this tape off, so it's going to be on there while you do the ironing. I don't know, I guess it's all the same, but that can be good. So I'll just place this here and then do the same thing. All right, so 30 seconds on the clock. Ta-da! Yay! Look how pretty this is. So now we've done all of the patches. I just want to show you this one I did before. It's the donut Pusheen on a purple shirt. I think the color is fitting. I do regret putting this on the bottom of the shirt, so I always recommend putting on the upper, because then you can really, you know, show it off. This, you can't even really see it, but if you just want to be subtle, then this is a good placement. We've already washed this shirt. It's still staying strong, so it's a good method. Okay, all right, so let me put the shirts in one line and we'll show you all together. Ta-da! This is the lineup. Isn't that so wonderful? So you can do this to your whole closet. So you have a full closet of Pusheen shirts, and that's one step closer to Pusheenifying your whole world. Okay, so let's all do that. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Also let us know if you're going to do this and show me your shirts if you Pusheenified it. Okay? And follow us on Instagram at Our Pusheen Addiction. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.